hello everybody, how are you this beautiful sunny day? Or at least here in my country, it is quite sunny. Today we are on day 24 of Daily UI Challenge and this theme is boarding pass. I like this theme because I'm traveling quite a lot and I'm always with a boarding pass on my phone. So I thought that I could do something similar for myself. But before I do that, I also try to find some inspiration and what other people think that a boarding pass is. And I found one that I really like. It's again from the same challenge, the Daily UI, and it's this one. So we'll try to recreate something similar, like not exactly the same, but this is going to be my inspiration. Okay, I already have quite a few things in my HTML, but I'm not going to need anything for the JavaScript part. And for the CSS, I've also added these two things, but again, it's not something difficult or weird. It's the dimensions for the images that I'm going to use, and also for the header 5 I'm going to have a color of gray instead of black, and that's it for my CSS. Now inside the working area I will start typing everything. Before that I only have like today's theme and some other things about Angular, and after the working area again I also have some things about Angular, but my main focus is going to be here on the working area. And now that I said that, I would like to remind you that these projects, the daily UI projects, are built on AngularJs and MaterialUI. Not all of them, but most of them. And this is because I'm also a front-end developer that works with AngularJs, and I'm feeling quite good when I use that, and I know what I'm talking about. So this is quite easier for me. If you want to see something else, then just leave a comment below and I will check it out. Okay, I think it's time for me to start typing everything. Oh, and another thing is that if you want to find the exact same code that I am coding right now, then you can check again the description box and you will find exactly the same things, a link for my code pen and some other cool links. Okay, now I can type my class, and my class here is going to be the empty toolbar. Toolbar with tools, and I'm also going to need a layout align, and this one is going to be with center and center. Okay. And now it's time to write boarding pass. Yay! Who doesn't like flight? Okay, done with our header, and now I'm going to add another toolbar, and to make it a little bit quicker I'm going to copy and paste this one. Now instead of hue 5 I'm going to have hue 1, and I'm going to keep the toolbars as they are, or maybe I won't need the layout. Oops, this is written wrong. This is supposed to be written like that. Okay, and I'm not going to have again boarding pass here, but I am going to have some flexes. So it's going to be something like flex with flight and the number of the flight, and then the gate and the number of the gate. But I think that I also want to add something extra here. So let's copy this one more time and paste it here. I'm also going to add an image, and this image is going to be with my airline. So let's say that I'm flying with Qatar Airlines, and I will add their logo somewhere here. Okay, that's it for the toolbar. The next step that we have to do is to add some content. To add content, you simply do empty content. Okay, don't forget to close your empty content, and inside here I'm going to need a div with layout. Let's see if I can copy this one, and then of course we will have to make some changes. Okay, so here is my div, and I'm going to have it without, I guess, any class for now. I don't think that I need anything. Oops, but I am going to need a layout row, and then a layout align with do I need center or maybe something else? I think that space around is going to be better. Let's have it like this, and we will see the center is okay. So inside here, or maybe not center, maybe end. Okay guys, I'm not sure, but we will see very soon. This time I'm going to add only 2 things here, so I don't want the boarding pass. But I'll need my first flight or something like this, and where I'm going. So let's make it like that. I'm going from New York to Orlando, but in the picture that we saw here, it also has an airplane. I think that this is a beautiful detail, so I will try to add it here, just between these 2 divs. I'm going to have like a small icon or a small image with an airplane, and that's why I also have added this style with width 60 pixel. Okay, now this is cool, but again I need something more, and this is going to be a divider, because I like what I have created so far, but I want to have a divider, and after that divider I can continue working. I will copy this layout with the row, and I'm going to paste it right here. Again, I'm going to change just some small things. For example, this New York, it can be my boarding time. Let's say that it is at 10:50. Okay, and let's copy that one here, paste it. Oops, I am. Okay, and the next one is going to be the departs, or you can write it as a department time, it doesn't matter. Then 45, and then here we have like arrives at 1:30 p.m. Okay, that's cool. I like it so far. What about you? Again, I'm going to use the same divider, because, you know, why not? And I'm going to add one more time my layout row. And okay, let's go after the divider, and let's see what I'm missing here. Okay, let's see this image. So I need something like a passenger, and then the seat. Let's try to add this also, passenger. Okay, and let's add here my name, which is Eleftheria. And what else should we add here? Okay, maybe we can add like the priority, which is something like the previous image didn't have it, but why not again? The priority will be yes for me. Okay, and then we do have also the seat, which is going to be 25B. Okay, no window for me this time. Before we close the divider, as you can see here, there is like this QR, and that's why I have opened this website, the QR code generator, which is free. I'm going to leave it in the description box below, but here you can basically add the link to the website that you want your user to go, and after you click something, you create the create QR code and you get an image here. To get this image, you can customize it a little bit. You can add color or logo, you can download it or have it as a vector, and of course you can have it as an image, but for the HTML, so in an HTML format. And that's something that I've already have done, and I'm going to show you how to do it for you. Okay, div here, and let's add our class, and this time I'm going to have it as a center and center. Okay, alright, and I also think that I'm going to need some styling this time, and you will see why in a bit. So I'm going to have a margin top of 100 pixels, and also maybe a margin of bottom. This is going to be a little bit smaller, so maybe like 60 pixels. Alrighty. Now I'm going to add my image and you will see what I mean. This is just a copy paste from the QR code generator. I think that now it does look cool. What do you think, guys? This is going to be my final result. It's simple, but it's what a traveler would want to see. The flight, the gate, and then his seat, and the customers, or sorry, the other support, or the other people that works for the airport would want to see this. So, and this, and maybe this. So everyone is happy with this boarding pass, and that was my try to recreate something that will work, and also having my inspiration from here. Thank you very much for watching another tutorial with me. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Again, thank you very, very much. Have an awesome day, and don't forget to code just a little bit. Bye!